In this video I am going to explain about these two toys. This is flying ball and this is flying spinner. Okay, now let's talk about the design of this toy. This is in round shape and this is in disc shape. Now I have pink color flying ball and blue color flying spinner, but you can find in different colors in the market. Now I'll show you how to operate this flying toys. Now to turn on this flying ball, you just need to press this button. As you can see, here is a button. Now press this button. When you press it, this RGB light will blink and it starts to rotate automatically. Now to turn off this toy, you just need to press it here like this. It won't hurt you, and just press it again, it will stop. To turn off this lighting, we need to press this button again. Here you can see, now this is turn off. Okay, it's time for flying spinner, and here you can see a button. We just need to pull it on, and here you can see light is blinking and it starts to rotate automatically like a flying ball. To turn it off, we need to stop it. It won't hurt you, and just pull it off again. Now let's talk about charging time. This flying ball takes around 20 to 25 minutes to charge fully. In other hand, this flying spinner takes only 15 minutes to charge fully. And talking about flying duration, it flies around 7 to 8 minutes and this flies only 5 minutes. In comparison of these two toys, I prefer flying spinner. It is easy to play and it also has a longer flying duration with less charging time.